here you will see how to use article while writing a paragraph or while speaking. Okay, this is the very basic part of English grammar, but it is very necessary, very important. You should know how and where to use article. And I hope you will understand after watching this. Your doubt will be clear. So let us start. Article. Article is divided into two parts: indefinite article and definite article. Now what comes in indefinite article? A and is your indefinite article, and definite article D is your definite article. Okay. A or an used to denote the singular number of noun, and D is used to denote the specific noun. Okay, specific noun or any object. So let us see the example. Basically, we know that there are 26 alphabets in English. Okay, 26 alphabets in English. Now among 26 alphabets, 21 is your consonant and 5 is your vowels. Okay, 4. Then that is A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Now you know very well, if we pronounce means with the consonant letter A is used and with the vowel sound N is used. Let us see the example. Suppose here I am writing this umbrella. Umbrella. Okay. Now here umbrella is the first letter is your U and U is your vowel. Here U is your vowel. So what should be here? And. According to rule, and. Means here and umbrella. Okay, clear? Now let us see the another example. Unique. Now unique. Here unique started with the vowel U. So again here and should be used? No. And will not use. Why? Because it depends upon the sounds of pronunciation, how it sounds. Okay, unique. Unique here means you started with the Y. Yeah, here means Y. Okay, and Y is your consonant letter. That's why here and unique is used. Clear? Another example you can see. Suppose here HOUR. Hour is given. Hour is given. So here H is your consonant letter. So here should be A? No. A should not be A. Why? Because it sounds like vowels. H is silent here. So it is hour. That is okay. Is your is A. That is your vowel. So that's why an hour is used. Okay. Now another example you can see. Suppose the boy is M. Okay. So what should be here? M. A. Okay. So M is your means you will look at the letter M and directly you will write A. Okay. But no, that will be M. A. M. A. How you will write M. A. Okay. Means A word is used here, and that's why here what should be M. A. Clear? So this is the doubt. I hope it will be clear to you. Now let us see the uses of means a and is depend upon the sounds of pronunciation. Sounds of pronunciation, how you pronounce any word. If the vowel sounds come in that time and is used, if the consonant sounds come at that time, your a is used. Okay, that is clear. Now see the definite article. Okay, the uses of the. The is used with a specific number, okay, to specify something. For example, suppose I have this job. I have this job. So what I should write? I have a job. I have a job. Okay. Suppose this job is given to me by my sister. So in that condition, this is a special job. Okay. So how I will write? I have the job. I have the job. Here job, that can be any job. There is no special things. Okay. But in the meaning is the same, but sense is different. Okay. Means here you can see the meaning is the same, but here the sense is different. I have a job means I have a normal job. Okay. But if I say I have the job, it means here it is a special. The is used to specify something special. Means I have a job that is given by my sister. Okay. Another example you can see. He is a boy. He is a boy of class, whatever class, suppose 5. Okay. He is a boy of class 5. Okay. Another here. He is the boy of class 5. Okay. Means both sentences are little bit different with each other. What is? He is a boy of class 5 means that boy can be anyone from class 5. But here he is the boy of class 5. Here the is what? It means we are talking about the special boy who is in class 5. Clear? Means the is used to describe the special person. Okay, but here a is used to describe any person, any common person. That boy can be anyone, but here that boy cannot be anyone. We are talking about the special boy. I hope this understand you. Now let us see when to use the and when to not use. Okay. Don't use the with. Don't use the with here. When we should not use the. Okay. Here the is not used with the name of countries. The is not used with the name of country. Okay. Now, suppose here I have given India. India. Okay. And here USA. USA. Don't get confused. India and USA. Can we use the with India? No. Why? Because it is the name of country. But USA. Can we use the with USA? Yes, definitely. Why? Because many countries. That's why here we can use USA. Here we are talking about the group, but if the group identify about men or women, male or women, that is in a that is also male is group of person, group of men, group of male, women is group of female, but we should not use the. These should not use. Okay, that will be wrong. Clear? Now again. With language, they is not used with the language. Now example you can see, I can speak English. Okay, and here I can speak the English. Now which one is right? I can speak English, I can speak the English. Don't use with the language. Here we don't use the with the language. Okay? I can speak English, I can speak the English. This statement will be wrong and this one will be right. Clear? Now again let us see the next. Your doubt is going to clear from right now. Suppose with the name of streets or road, don't use the with the name of street or road. Suppose here I am giving the example. I live in Raghov. Okay, I live in Raghov Nagar. So here that is the road Raghov Nagar road. Okay, I live in Raghov Nagar road. Another, I live in the Raghov Nagar road. So here the name of the road is Raghov Nagar. So which statement is correct? Here D is used. So it is right and this one wrong. Do not use with the street or the river. Now here with the do not use the with names. Names here means with the proper noun. Suppose I am Meera Gupta. So I will write I am Meera Gupta. I am the Meera Gupta. I am Meera Gupta. I am the Meera Gupta. Here, which statement should be correct? This one. This one will be wrong because D is not used with the names. Okay. Now, with another example, another point. Do not use with the name of the cities. The name of the cities. For example, I live in Devariya. I live in the Devariya. Okay, I live in Devariya. I live in the Devariya. Which statement should be correct? Here, this one. Because this one will be wrong because D is not used with the cities, with the name of cities. Clear? I hope D. D is used with the name of rivers. The name of rivers. For example, the Ganga, the Yamuna, so on. Okay, name of rivers. Another example we can say, another thing, D is used with the name of holy book. With the name of holy book. Here means the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Quran, the Gita. These all things means D is used with the name of the holy book. Now all again. D is used with the name of mountain. The name of mountain, for example, the Mount Everest. The name of mountain, the Mount Everest. Okay. It's etc. The Mount K2, etc. Okay. Now you know this all things with the uses of this is clear here. You can also use D with the newspaper, with the name of newspaper. Name of newspaper. Example, the Times of India, the Times of India, the Dainik Jagran, etc. Okay. Now this is the uses of the when to use and when to not use. So let us summarize it. The articles, there are three articles, A, and D. A and N are your indefinite article and D is your definite article. A and N are used with the first of all see A is used with the consonant sounds and N is used with the vowel sounds. And D is used with the specific things, with the specific number, with the specific person. Okay, means when we have to specify something, in that condition D is used. Okay, and never to use D. Okay, and always to use D. That these all things have been given, and I hope you understand it. If there is any doubt, then please drop your comment. If you understood it very well, then also drop your comment. And if you needed more about this article, then also drop your comment. Thank you for this.